Good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing about the chapter number 3, word processing. This video is actually for both the class 9th and 10th because this chapter exists in both the class 9th and 10th, word processing. So each and every student is very aware with the paragraph option. So dear student, what is paragraph? Paragraphs are used to break continuous text to one or more sentences. This enhances the readability of the content. In the following chapter, you will learn to work with paragraph. Okay. Paragraph formatting is the most important factor in the overall appearance of our document. So, dear student, in the paragraph section, it is very important to know about the alignment. Alignment means how would you like to write your text in your page. So, alignment is of 4 types: the left align, right align, center align, or justify align. So alignment is the systematic placement of text within a section of document to enhance its readability. It determines the appearance and orientation of the edges of the paragraph while writing a letter. Okay, you must note it that date is aligned on the right side and the default subject and the body of the text is aligned to the right side. Okay, students, so I have just I have written the session on the page left align, CBSE on the right align, computers on the center align, and word processing justify align. Dear student, left align means whenever we write the text from the left side. Right align means whenever we want to write the text from the right side. Center align means whenever we write the center of the page, and justify align means it leaves the equal margin to the both side of the page. Like word processor leaves equal margin this side and this side. So this is the alignment. Okay, how to align a paragraph? Okay, student, how would you align a paragraph? So whenever you want to align a paragraph, suppose this paragraph is written on the page. I have just write the paragraph on the page. This is the paragraph. So dear student, how will you align the paragraph of the page? So select the paragraph, clicking on the paragraph dialog box launcher, either on home tab or on the page layout tab. The paragraph dialog box appear. Okay, student, under the general section, select the required alignment. Okay, to align the paragraph, select the paragraph and click on the desired alignment button, the home present in home button. Okay, student, so this is the paragraph. Now next one is the indentation. How will you indent? Indentation is mostly of 4 types: left, right, first line, and the hanging. Mostly we say left indentation positive, right negative. Okay, so we say positive, negative, and hanging indentation. So what is the indentation, or what is known as the indent? Okay, students, so indent is the process of increasing or decreasing the space between the left and right margin of a paragraph. Okay, student, between the left margin and right margin of a paragraph, this is known as the indentation. Okay, student, right margin and left margin के बीच का space को हम indentation कहेंगे. So indentation is the process of increase or decrease the space between the left and right margin of a paragraph. Okay, what is the left indent? It is of 4 types: left, right, first line, and hanging. So what is the left indent? Left indent indicates the space between the paragraph and the left margin. Right indent indicates the space between the paragraph and the right margin. The first line indent used to indent the first line in a paragraph. And the hanging indent indicates how the text of the paragraph lines up below the first line. In the paragraph dialog box, under the indentation section, choose hanging from the drop down menu of special in indent. Okay, student, so this is actually the indent. I would like to also show you the diagram to all of you. Okay, students, so this is the diagram where I have just shown the indentation. Whenever we set this page to here, so this is the left indent. Our paragraph will be written from here. If you set the right indent, so this your paragraph will be written from here. If you start the first line indent, so your first line will move here. So this is the first line indent. And if you set the hanging indent, so one paragraph should be hanging to another paragraph. This is the paragraph indent. So first left indent, right indent, first line indent, this one, and the hanging indent. This is 4 type of indentation are there. Next one is the spacing. Spacing is of 2 types. Spacing is very important for readability of a document. Okay, spacing is mostly manage spacing 2 types. First of the paragraph. Suppose this one is the first paragraph and another paragraph also we are writing here. So dear student, First one is the paragraph spacing, second one is the line distance between two lines. We can increase and decrease the distance between two lines. Okay, suppose this is the two lines, we can also increase the distance between two lines and decrease the distance between two lines. It is the line spacing. And suppose this is the paragraph, this is one paragraph and this is the another paragraph. We can increase the distance between the paragraph, this is the distance, and decrease the distance between the paragraph. It is known as the paragraph spacing, students. So I would like to tell you the process of setting the spacing between paragraph or the line. Okay, so paragraph spacing is the amount of space left before and after a paragraph. Okay, how will you set the paragraph? Select the paragraph of which you want to change. Suppose you want to increase the space between the, so select it. First of all, we will select it. Okay, click on the paragraph dialog box launcher button on the home tab. By default, the indent and the spacing tab is opened. Enter a set of required spacing, how much space you want, 0.25, 0.5, 0.1, etc. So you will set the spacing. As a same way, line spacing, it means to say a line spacing is the vertical distance between two lines in a Microsoft Word document. Okay, how will you set the line spacing? Okay, student, suppose some of the lines are written on the board, so suppose these are the lines. If you want to increase the distance between two lines, vertical distance or the horizontal distance between two lines, so suppose these four are lines I have written on the this. I want to increase the distance between each and every line, so I will increase and decrease the spacing between the line. So this is known as the line spacing. Okay, student. So dear student, this is all about the session number 1, word processor, how managing the alignment and the indentation of the session. Okay, student, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.